Interval training can be a safe and fun way to train your heart and lungs to work a little bit harder and then recover efficiently. And it's an effective training technique for total body fat loss, especially around the midsection. Each exercise will be done for 25 seconds with a 15-second recovery, and you're in charge with how much intensity you'd like to bring to each exercise. So let's start with a walk in place. Pump your arms and get ready to go in 5 seconds. And guess what? This is your first exercise, so let's pick up the intensity. If you'd like a little bit more, perhaps you travel to me and back. Use the space you have. Pump your arms. That's it. Walk forward and back. I'm okay if you'd like to pick this up to a little jog. You find what's best for you. You can also jog in place. We have 5 seconds to go. Are you ready? Keep going. And 3, 2, and walk. Make sure that you recover, walk that out, shoulders back and down, kind of shake that out. Use this recovery. It's there by design. All right, we're doing the same exercise again. We go in 3 seconds. 2, pick up the pace. Remember, your options: stay in place, add a little jog, or travel forward. 4, 3, 2, 1, and back. This is your workout. I want you to pick up the intensity just a little bit more. That's it. But stay in a safe range for you. About 6 seconds to go. All right, last time, come on. And let's recover. Whew, shake that out. Nice job. All right, our next exercise is a low jack. We have about 8 seconds left in our recovery. Let me get us started. Hands on hips and just tap side to side. We go in 3, 2, join me when you're ready. You might put your hands on your hips just to get used to the legs. Then some options: reach across your heart. Good. You could also reach your arms overhead at a diagonal. Or if you want even a little bit more, both arms can reach up and pull down. You have about 8 seconds to go. Choose what's best for you. 4, 3, 2, and recover. Great job. Whew. Nice. Take a big deep breath. Exhale. Let your heart rate come back down just a little bit. All right, we're doing that same exercise again in 3, 2, and go. I like to start with my legs, then add in my arms when I'm ready. You've seen the options. You can go right to that higher intensity one if that's right for you. You make the best choices for you today. I think that's one of the best things about this kind of training. It can be different every time you do the workout. All right, so just find what's best for you. We've got 5 more seconds. 3, 2, and take a break. Nice job. Whew. All right, big deep breath, inhale and exhale. Next exercise, just a hamstring curl. All right, we go in 3, 2, step wide hamstring curl. Here we go, step curl. Hands on hips, knees stay down, draw your heels up towards your glutes, engage your hamstrings. I'm gonna add a cross and a pull. Shift your weight side to side. You might put a little bit of a bend in your knees and then push just a little bit more. Maybe a reach and a pull and overhead if you'd like. 3 seconds and recover. Whew. Nice job. All right. Think about walking toe ball heel, chest up, shoulders back and down. Take another deep breath because we're going in 5 seconds. Whew. Ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. Hamstring curl. Nice. Shift your weight side to side. You can control the range of motion. Smaller moves if it's better for you, or a little bit bigger. All right, I'm gonna reach and pull. Maybe bend my knees, push up just a little bit more. 6 seconds. We've got this. Hang on. 3, 2, and walk. Just walk. Let your heart rate come down. Roll your shoulders back and down. Now, while you're recovering, let me show you the next exercise. We step forward with our right foot, lift our knee twice on the left, then walk 4 and other side. Step 2 knees, walk 4, 3, 2, 1. Join me when you're ready. There's a little coordination to this exercise. Step 2 knees, walk 4, 3, 2, 1. I'd like you to think pulling forward, then walk back, and then pull into the exercise again. Now, some options for you: tap, and then walk in place. So choose what's best for you. All right, last time. and walk. Just recover. Great job. Okay, one more time through. Whew. Take a big deep breath. We go in 5 seconds. Are you ready? 3, 2, step right. 2 knees left. Walk 4, 3, 2, 1. Now you can pull forward as much as you feel comfortable. It's your range of motion. I just want the intensity to be a little bit higher for your body. Step 2 knees, and hey, if you mess up the steps, no big deal. It's interval training. Just find the intensity. You've got 5 seconds to go. Last time, and walk. Whew. Let's recover. This is our final recovery. Take it. It's the important part to the workout. Roll your shoulders back and down. 5 seconds. Whew. Excellent job. And that's our workout for the day. Those work to rest ratios, they sneak up on you with the intensity. And that's the benefit of interval training. It's a great addition to your weekly workout.